Welcome to Bristol Robotics Laboratory, the UK's leading multidisciplinary and robotics research hub. Now we've arrived at Professor Nathan Lepora's office, where he will introduce us to Dobot's technological strengths and research support capabilities.
Hi, I'm Professor Nathan Lepora at the University of Bristol. I'm sat here doing some work with these robots, but we have something special here. This is the first robot that Dobot as a company released back in 2016. This was the original kit that Dobot used to sell before they gradually expanded their range until we have this. Is the modern version of the Dobot robot.
What are the key features of Dobot X Trainer?
Yeah, so for us the variety really works because we can have small robots for educational purposes or for small research projects. We can scale that up to medium-sized robots that's sitting between education and industry, such as the MG400 or E6. So we can do industry pilot projects with those that we can pop in a suitcase, take it to a partner to demonstrate, up to full industrial robots, full industrial robot arms similar to the Novas, where we can try completely industry relevant projects on those and work at scale. Flexibility for us works because it's the same type of robot, similar operating systems, similar software interfaces. So we can move flexibly from something that's semi-educational, semi-research, fully research or industrial based. So that works well for us. The safety is an important aspect as well. So industrial robots are not safe to be around. You know, they're big, powerful robots, but the capability to do some of your research on smaller, more safe robots and then scale that up to an industrial robot.
Why does Dobot outperform other brands?
The direct service. Researchers in my group, if they have problems with the robots, they open up a conversation, email, WeChat with the engineers at Dobot and fix problems. It helps us use new capabilities that we need for our research that are only just coming out, just about to be released. So we get early releases of the software updates in our group, which has helped us a lot. And then also the openness, the fact that the Dobot robots are educational platforms, right up to industrial platforms. There's a common software interface for all of that, which is open. The code is available in Python on GitHub. And because we do AI research, that's typically in the same programming languages. And that openness just allows us to customize them for how we want to use them.
At Bristol Robotics Laboratory, we pioneer the future of intelligent systems where cutting-edge robotics like the Dobot robotic arm meets real-world impact, equipping students with hands-on skills to become tomorrow's innovators.